and this is Maycave. In today's episode, I'm going to be guiding you through a short tutorial on how we can make use of MamaKuka Yoga Straps. Each set comes in a pack of 4 and they come in different sizes, as you can see. And they've been a wonderful way for me to kind of go through different progressions to eventually grabbing hold of my foot. So the idea is you start from the longest band, this one, and then you make your way down eventually to the smallest band. And then over time, potentially, you may be able to grab hold of your foot or anything else that you're trying to reach. So these are merely some suggestions that we like to use the yoga straps. There are so many different ways that you can use them. I hope you enjoy this little tutorial. Let's come and meet on the mat.
To come into tiger pose, meet in tabletop. Start by tucking your right toes under and then lifting yourself up as you put the strap around the foot and then drawing the elbow forwards and up. So it's like as though you're coming into your boat pose where you're lying flat on your belly, except in this version, you're also including a bit of a balance here with your right hand and right knee on the floor. Keep drawing the chest forwards and up. To exit the pose, start to unwind your elbow in the opposite direction. Let go of the strap, and then take a few breaths to relax in your child's pose to release the lower back. There are some wonderful variations you can take in your forward-facing splits. One of them is to include a nice little back bend. Start by placing the strap around your foot. Open palm as you draw the elbow forwards and up. And then you can reach the left hand back as well to grab hold of the strap here. Spend a few breaths lengthening the arms, opening through the chest. A different variation you can include now is to grab hold of the big toe. Perhaps we may not be able to reach it just yet, in which case you can use one of the shorter straps to just loop it around the sole of your feet. Over time, you should be able to let go of the straps and reach your toes. MamaKuka Yoga Straps has been so beneficial for me in progressing through my one-leg king pigeon pose. Place the strap on your feet, palm facing upwards, and start to rotate your elbow forwards and up. Take a few deep breaths here, and after a few breaths, you may be able to reach the opposite hand back. Grab hold of whatever you can reach, keep the arms close to your ears, and enjoy this beautiful heart-opening posture. To exit the pose, release one hand, and then start to unwind the elbow in the opposite direction and break the pose.
Hi yogis! We hope that you found that short tutorial helpful for you in understanding how to use these MamaKuka Yoga Straps. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for weekly yoga tips and classes delivered directly to your inbox. In the meantime, keep a happy mind and a happy heart. Namaste.